Plenary Summary, Topic 5, the Project Organization. We've now reached the plenary summary for Topic 5, the Project Organization. In this section, we'll review the key concepts we've covered in this topic, connecting them to the broader ideas about project management and how they all tie together. This summary will help you see the big picture and how everything we've discussed is interrelated. 1. Introduction to Project Organization. At the beginning of the topic, we discussed project organization and how it plays a central role in ensuring that projects are managed efficiently. Every project, whether it's developing a new software program or launching a new product, requires an organized structure to guide the process. We learned that fitting projects into parent organizations can be challenging, especially when it comes to aligning project goals with organizational objectives. Key point. The way a project is structured, its team roles, its communication channels, and its resource allocation affects how efficiently the project can be completed. Successful projects depend on clear organizational structures that align with the parent organization's overall strategy. 2. Types of organizational structures for projects. We explored the different organizational structures that can be used to manage projects. These included peer project organization. In this structure, a project team is dedicated to the project full-time, with complete control over its resources and decision-making. This is useful for highly focused, large projects where resources and time need to be fully dedicated. Functional project organization. Here, the project is managed within the existing functional departments, and the project manager has less control over resources. This structure is typically used when the project can be broken down into smaller tasks that fit within specific departments. Matrix project organization. This is a hybrid structure where project teams are formed from individuals in different departments. The project manager shares responsibility with functional managers for allocating resources. It's effective in organizations where projects require input from multiple specialized functions. Mixed organizational systems, a combination of the other structures, where organizations use a mix of functional and project-based structures depending on the specific needs of the project. Key point. The choice of project structure influences resource allocation, team dynamics, and decision-making. Different structures are suited to different types of projects, depending on their complexity, size, and required expertise. 3. Project Management Office, PMO. We then turned our attention to the Project Management Office, PMO, which is a central part of project governance in many organizations. The PMO provides standardization, support, and oversight for all projects within the organization. We discussed different types of PMOs. Supportive PMOs that provide tools and guidance. Controlling PMOs that enforce compliance with project management standards. Directive PMOs that manage and execute projects directly. We explored how the PMO helps ensure that projects align with organizational strategy, manage resources effectively, and mitigate risks. Through examples like NASA and Microsoft, we saw how PMOs are used to drive consistency, efficiency, and accountability in project execution. Key point. The PMO serves as a central hub for managing project processes, allocating resources, and tracking performance, helping organizations improve project success rates. 4. Project maturity levels. We also discussed project maturity levels, which describe the stages of development an organization goes through as it improves its project management capabilities. These levels range from initial, where project management is ad hoc and inconsistent, to optimizing, where there is continuous improvement in data-driven decision-making. Initial stage, project management is unstructured. and outcomes are unpredictable. Managed stage, basic processes are in place but still inconsistent. Defined stage, processes are standardized across the organization. Quantitatively managed stage, data is used to drive decisions and improve project performance. Optimizing stage, continuous improvement through learning and refinement. Key point. As organizations move through the maturity levels, they gain greater control over their projects, improve efficiency, and enhance predictability. 5. Real-world examples. Throughout the topic, we examined real-world examples like NASA's PMO and Microsoft's Enterprise PMO. These examples illustrated how organizations at different stages of project maturity use structured project management frameworks, PMOs, and resource optimization to ensure the success of their projects. By following these examples, we saw how standardization, risk management, and continuous improvement can lead to successful project outcomes. NASA's PMO is focused on managing complex, high-risk space missions, ensuring that all teams are aligned and working according to a centralized set of processes. Microsoft's Enterprise PMO ensures that projects like Windows and Azure are aligned with the company's strategic goals, optimizing resources across a wide range of initiatives. Key point. Real-world examples help us understand how PMOs and maturity levels are applied in practice to manage complex projects, reduce risks, and improve project success rates. 6. Key takeaways from Topic 5. As we reflect on the key concepts from Topic 5, the project organization, here are the main takeaways. Project organization plays a key role in determining how a project is structured and managed. The organizational structure, pure, functional, matrix, or mixed, will affect decision-making, resource allocation, and project focus. A PMO is essential for standardizing processes, managing resources, and providing oversight to ensure project success. Different types of PMOs, supportive, controlling, and directive, offer varying levels of control and involvement. Project maturity levels show the progression of an organization's project management capabilities. Moving from ad hoc practices to continuous improvement enables organizations to manage projects more effectively and efficiently. Real-world examples like NASA and Microsoft illustrate how organizations can implement project management practices and maturity frameworks to improve the success of their projects. To conclude, Topic 5, the project organization has introduced you to the concepts of project structures, PMOs, and project maturity levels. These concepts are foundational for understanding how organizations manage projects effectively. As we move forward, we'll continue to build on this knowledge by examining how to assess and improve your organization's project management maturity, ensuring that projects are managed with increasing efficiency and alignment with organizational goals.